Fire dampers play a crucial role in preventing the spread of fire through buildings. The difference between a well-maintained working fire damper and an ill-maintained partially working fire damper can be the difference between life and death in the case of a fire. Fire dampers are located in ductwork and ceiling cavities. They allow air to circulate between fire-safe zones unless a fire breaks out. If fire does occur, dampers are designed to close, suppressing the spread of smoke and fire throughout the building. If a fire damper doesn't operate as expected, fire can spread rapidly with lethal results throughout the building. If you're a building manager or owner, you have a duty of care to staff, employees and visitors to provide a safe environment. The legal requirements for fire and smoke damper testing are set out in BS 9999/2017 Code of Practice for Fire Safety in the Design, Management and Use of Buildings. It states that all fire dampers are to be inspected and performance tested annually by competent persons, and any defects are to be logged, necessary action taken, and certificates of testing are to be obtained. Our team at In-Depth are specialists in identifying, inspecting and testing fire dampers. They help business owners and building managers fulfil their obligations in providing a safe environment. There are 3 simple steps to compliance. Step 1. Identification. Using plans for your building, our experts can identify the location of your fire dampers. We can work from printed plans or electronic files. If you do not have access to plans for your premises, please get in touch so we can discuss your options. Step 2. Inspection and testing. All dampers need to be inspected for visible signs of damage or corrosion and checked for any obstructions. Typical issues the In-Depth team have found include foreign objects holding a damper open, cabling running through the damper opening preventing its correct operation, or heavy corrosion as a result of water ingress. Our team will also check the damper is situated correctly and inspect for visible damage or holes in the fire barrier in the area of the fire damper. There are a variety of fire dampers installed in buildings across the UK. Typically, fire dampers are held open by a fusible link, which is designed to release the damper in the event of fire so that it closes, preventing the spread of fire or smoke. During a test, the fusible link must be manually released and the damper checked to make sure it closes fully. If this test is passed, the damper must be cleaned and reset. Step 3 is comprehensive reporting. If any damper is found to be inoperable or inaccessible, you should log this and implement a plan of action to rectify the issues. Replacing a damaged damper or providing suitable access. You should have all defects and issues resolved as quickly as possible. For compliance and insurance, it's essential that building managers have comprehensive reporting. The team at In-Depth have developed industry-leading reporting. These provide our clients with comprehensive and detailed accounts of all fire dampers, their state of repair and any remedial action that's required. This helps to prioritise work and achieve compliance. If you'd like to know more about fire damper inspection and testing, please call the team today on 0800 587 8848 and arrange your free, no obligation quotation.